Hey friends, I'm here with Persian lentil soup that's vegetarian. The ingredients are 1½ glass of lentils, 2 tablespoons wheat groats, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, dice an onion. Sauté in oil until golden brown. It's better to use pressure cooker for cooking this food. Add turmeric. Now it's pepper's turn. Add tomato paste and sauté in oil. Add the wheat groats and the lentils. Pour 5 or 6 glasses of water. Add salt. Put the lid on. It takes an hour to cook.
1 hour later.
After an hour, it's ready to eat and you can serve it. Enjoy your meal.